Hey, what's going on everyone? NuttyNu here. Today I'm showing you guys my 1994 FZJ80 with the exhaust resonator delete. Really easy to do. What I did is I just chopped it down with the hacksaw and cut it to where you guys saw it. And this is just to show you guys if there's a difference in the audio, if it's louder, if it's quieter. And if you guys can see right there, it's about the same if you had it stock. It's not louder, it still keeps it really nice and quiet. At highway speed it whistles a little bit, but then it sounds kind of cool because it sounds like a little VTEC or a little turbo. But I want to give you guys some reason why you may want to cut it out, and I'll show you guys right here. A few of the reason why you may want to cut it off, because if you're installing an aftermarket bumper, like the Sleigh or one of those big bumpers, usually they require you to chop it down because you can install it. Another reason is if you do a lot of off-roading, you might have actually clearance issue because it comes out to right here. Your original exhaust tip comes out to right here, and you might have issue with it just clearing and bumping it. So that, and also weight reduction. So those are the two main reasons why I got rid of it, because I know for sure that with my hunting and my off-road experience, I'm gonna rub it and I'm gonna hit it. So I decided to just chop it off and get rid of it. And then what people do is you can just cut it to where it's at, and then some people weld the resonator, they weld the resonator back on, but then I'm not a big fan of it. Like I said, if those are for people who care about more looks. And then some people, they would weld the pipe to the side, but then that's optional to you guys. But for this purpose, you can just chop it off and leave it hanging where I had it, and it's actually, there's enough stiffness between it where it doesn't move back and forth at all, so it's really stable right where it's cut off. So those are some of the reasons why you might want to get rid of it or relocate it, whatever you want to call it. And that's just a quick video of me showing it. So hope this video helped. If you guys have been questioning, or if you guys have been worrying about cutting yours or not, and hope you guys enjoy. If you guys got any questions, leave in the comments down below. It's really freezing, so my hands are freezing off, and I'll do some flyby pass right here in this parking lot.